Thank you so much, C. Winner of TFC Choice Award ay ang kantang If You Don't Want to Fall by Jude Kinamundok, sung by Jed Madela. Siya po ay makatanggap ng 15,000 pesos coming from TFC. Sa lahat naman ng sumuporta sa kanilang favorite song via ABS-CBN Mobile, here are Nandy Villar, Head of Marketing, at Francis Chua, Head of Brand Communication, ABS-CBN Mobile, of the ABS-CBN Mobile Fan Favorite Award. And I have with me the winner. Alright, mga pamilya, hold on to your seats. Dahil ang nanalo po ay ang kantang Simpleng Tulad Mo by Angel Neto, sung by Daniel Padilla. You'll also be receiving 50,000 pesos.
Congratulations to all our winners!
Hold on to your seats, mga kapamilya!
Dahil marami po kaming sorpresang ibibigay sa inyong lahat.
Plus, the grand announcement of this year's winner sa pagbabalik ng
Himig Handog P-Pop Love Songs!
Kapamilya, we have come to the most awaited moment of the night. We have seen and heard all the 15 wonderful finalists for this year.
At ngayon malalaman na po natin ang mga kikilalanin as this year's Himig Handog P-Pop Love Song 2014 major winners.
But before anything else, we would like to congratulate all the composers who joined this year.
Definitely,
We'd also like to thank them for sharing their talent with us, because this event is a celebration of your talent and your craft. Para po sa amin, lahat kayo ay panalo.
But as in every competition parts, we have our winners, and we will get to know them right about now.
Ay!
All right, handing